Hello, welcome to Psycho World Salvage. We've got this 2008 Honda Rebel 250, CMX250 I believe. Got a good running engine. 5,561 miles on it. Bike has no title, so we're going to go over and break it down. It's not been wrecked or anything. She does have an oil leak. It's on the gasket for the stator cover. Included with the engine will be a new gasket. I have a brand new set that came with the bike for the covers, so you can remedy that situation easily. Had to clean the carburetor. She sat for a couple years. Still a little stubborn because of the dirty carb. I didn't do a thorough job, but she does start right up. So that's all she wrote. I assure she's got plenty of oil in it. I topped it off before we ran it. And it'll be for sale on eBay. Good luck bidding. Later.